Are you ready for it?
Hi guys, Ty Elrow here. We're currently at the Fin at Mermaid Beach. We're currently 6 weeks post demolition, and currently we've now completed the piling. We've done the bulk earthworks, the detailed excavation, and we're currently just doing the Rio fix for the footings. By the end of this month, we're going to have all the concrete in on the ground slab, looking to get all the block walls and core fill prior to Christmas.
Me and you'll never be alone. Island breeze and lights down.